Hello, welcome to my recipe video. Today I am going to show you how to prepare a delicious fruit salad. Let's start. For this recipe I need some countable ingredients. Countable means you can count them with numbers. For example, I need 3 apples and 2 bananas. I also need some strawberry and 1 orange. I also need uncountable ingredients. These are things you cannot count with numbers. For example, I need some yogurt and a little honey. I don't need much sugar because the fruit is very sweet. First, I wash the fruit. I wash the apples, bananas, and strawberry very well. After that, I cut the apples and the bananas into small pieces. Then I add the strawberries and the orange slices. Finally, I add a little money and a lot of yogurt. I mix everything in a big bowl. Now it's ready. And this is my fruit salad. Remember, apples and bananas are countable nouns, but yogurt and honey are countable. This recipe is healthy and delicious. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.